we're going to do the sweep command once more, but this time we're going to start off with the 3D shape that we had here, and I'm going to explode this 3D shape. It's not that you can't draw that 3D shape to start off with using simple lines. You can do that. Press the wrong button, of course. This is the button I need to press. Okay, so I can go and do these shapes anyway using just a simple line command. But because I had that shape earlier on, I copied the shape and now I'm just going to explode it. X for explode, click on here, and that should be in separate pieces now. What that means, because with the 3D polyline you're not allowed to add any fillets to it, basically, or any arcs. So I can do this afterwards by going F for fillet, set my radius, alpha radius, let's set it for 50, say. It's small, but it's alright. And I click on here and there. It's a bit small actually. I'll just undo that. Let's make it a bit bigger. Fillet, radius, let's make it a couple hundred maybe. Let's see, that looks probably much the same. Let's erase this. Anyway, I'll do another radius, fillet radius, let's make it 500. Okay, I'll set it to M for multiple, and that means I can pick a whole lot of them at the same time. Okay, like that. So I'll do some like that, and I'll do one over here. Alright, so that's a couple of bends there. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, the problem with this is that we have to sweep it individually. And I'm going to draw a circle down here. And let's make it about 150 radius. Okay, there. I'm just going to copy that a few times because I'll need a few of them. As I said, you can make it keep the shape, but I am not. So let's go with that. Alright, so basically what it means now, I can do my sweep and select my shape and that, and it's done that much. So I'll do another one now. Now the bends, you might opt to put a bigger sort of sleevey sort of bend there, so you have to just make a bigger circle and then it will be bigger. In fact, you could click on here for this one and go right click properties or control 1 and make it a tad bigger. So you might make it 175, say, just for this exercise. Alright, so that's a bit bigger than the other one. So if I go sweep and select the shape, if it'll go around there, actually it might be a bit too big for the bend. Anyway, we'll see how we go. You just did it. Okay. So just continue on and select the other smaller one and then space bar for enter and select that. So this is what we achieved right here, right now, which is a bit more realistic as to what will probably happen if you're doing pipe work, I suppose, or PVC or something like that. Alright, so the problem is it's not a one-click operation. You have to select each one separately, whereas this one over here, we just clicked on it and just did the whole thing. Alright, so I'll do a couple more and then we'll leave that there. Select this here, enter, select that there, enter to repeat the command, select the other shape again, enter, and select this. Now this time I did it the same size around the corner. Alright, so that's basically the sweep using individual parts. Then it gives you the opportunity to put in an arc and possibly a joining piece around the bend. Alright, that's the end of that one.